All right, good morning. Good morning. We are here. Good morning, Predator. All right. Nice little sell off there overnight. 200-point range overnight with a no news Monday in tow here. Doesn't look good for us. Not looking charming for us. I do like those equal highs up at 165. I think this makes a lot of sense. What up, Hulk? Good morning. To run into the 165 area, a little VWAP touch, if you will. See if this copier's working. Appears to do. Yep. 'Tis working. Good morning, Jan. Jeff, good morning. What's the plan, Hulk? I don't know. Right now I'm looking for a run into the 165 here. We do have a potential 1 minute setup here. A little annoying that we missed this other setup. This is probably like a B setup. I mean, it's like your second setup in the leg here with equal highs above. I don't mind it. Your A setup would have been down here off the 32nd. So I may take this if we get it. We'll see. What up, Trader Monk? Marco, good morning. You're short at 143. Ooh. Yes, I did, Jan. I already resubmitted. Did you resubmit yours? Because none of mine were approved except for the ones that were approved and paid over the weekend. So I went ahead and resubmitted all mine overnight. What up, Trading with Kellyanne? How you doing this morning? Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, we're just kind of seeing what happens here. ES is approaching the VWAP now as well. And also a key level there at 60 or 82. Got any of those good My Funded Futures codes? Of course. MM is the good code. Kellyanne. MM. MM is the code. Oh, you demand. You can be a woman and still be demand. So no worries. Yeah, I just actually picked up 3 myself, Kellyanne, if you see here. I did the DX feed, which I kind of, you kind of had to if I'm using Quad Tower. But, yeah, I'm looking to max out with them. I want to do 5 with Take Profit Trader. I know you have 4. You said you're working on a 5th. But I'm looking to get those going as well. Yeah, I don't know, Jan. I mean, like, hopefully you get paid within a few days. I think that's kind of the gist of that. We'll see. I mean, I think the next week or two is going to be kind of a telltale sign here. So, good morning, Robert. Evelyn in the house. Trying longs at 134. Yeah, I'm thinking a close above 140 here. I'm going to long. I just chose the starter plus, but I do like the expert. The profit target is a little higher. But other than that, I do like the expert. I typically was only trading the expert, but I do like the no consistency rule on the starter plus once you get funded. I don't know. Does the expert have a consistency rule? I don't think it does it? So, what up, Donovan, Fred, Francis, Thomas? I don't know if the starter, if the expert does. I can't remember. They've been changing things up. I don't think it did, but I could be wrong. So, but right now I just have the starter plus accounts. I think they're fine. Yeah, Jan. I mean, I'm not worried about it either per se, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully with the automation things get better. I think this is going to kind of be the line in the sand. If we still have issues after the automation, then it wouldn't be a good look. So yeah, I haven't seen the does the expert plan have? I'm curious now. I don't remember. There's Max barking at a little bump. Let me see expert. End of day, no activation fee, no scaling rule. Yeah, so it's daily loss, no daily loss limit. Yeah, I guess. And then the expert's not actually that bad of a cost either. Man, should I have bought the expert? I might should have. I guess the normal starter, you do get more drawdown too. I didn't even notice that. Didn't even notice that. What up, Mr. O? All right, let's go over some news. Not much to talk about, really. Crude to the 200. Black Beauty in the house. Unemployment, 39 minutes. I don't even know what that is. 1 star, that's not going to do anything. 3 months, 6 months, that's not going to do anything. Member Bowman speaking. Kashkari. I mean, I guess we'll be aware of that, but not really expecting anything to happen there. Let's check out Mancini's newsletter. 63 support is now weak. Must reclaim 82 to pop. 96 plus, 63 fells. We see 46. I mean, there you go. Simple as that. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. We already marked those levels out overnight. I marked 82 as a retest and hold, and it didn't hold. So once it didn't hold there, we sold back down to 63, held that area, and now we're back to 82, which is just below the VWAP there on the ES. We'll see if it pops. Good morning, Benny. I'm uncertain today on whether I'm going to take funded trades or not. I'm not 100% certain. I do have these evals loaded up first, just so that I can evaluate price action and go from there. If I like a setup, I will switch over to the funded and take it. However, if it's not clean price action, then the fundeds will probably be put away. I'll try my best, Kelly. Appreciate you. Good morning, Coach Cleats. So we'll do our best. I don't know. Quantum Quake, good morning. So we'll kind of see what happens at open. We'll play it by ear. Whether I'm bullish or bearish, I'm still bullish. I think I'm bullish on the reclaim of 82 on the ES. So basically ES got to get above the VWAP. I like the equal highs at 165 to be ran into. This coincides with kind of about equilibrium of the move down, right? So if we pull a fib here, you know, this kind of, these equal highs sit just above equilibrium, so I like that for a draw. This consolidation area, 185, 190 area, might be our turn back down spot somewhere in there, 190, 215. So we'll see what happens. Maybe, you know, a lot of times we retrace the entire overnight move, so it is possible for that to happen as well. Who really knows? Oh, we might get the trigger here. Let's see. I will take this on an eval if we get it. Smash the like button. Let's go, Josh. How many minutes do we have before open? Still got 6 minutes. All right, if this closes above, I'll take it here on these evals, but The only thing I don't like is that the ES is approaching that key level here, and it's also got the VWAP right there. See if the 30-second closes above as well. First. Doesn't really look like it's going to. Nope. As I said, I don't hate the momentum here. But the ES really has to pop above that 63 area for us to get going. Yeah, Jan, me too. That's why I'm trying to just be careful. I don't even know if I'll find a funded trade. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to be very, very cautious today. The evals, I might be a little more, you know, willing to take. Well, it's going to be invalid if probably. I want to see a little bit of a pullback here. I'm going to go ahead and take it. And I'm going to probably something like that. Back above this wick, I'm probably going to go break even here. It did hit the internal first, so I'm not going to give this a ton of room. I want to see if this thing can go here. I want to see a little pop. Get kind of back above that wick. I'm going to go ahead and put in the break even. Probably just going to be a break even trade. All right. I want to see it go. There we go. That's what I wanted to see, a little pop right back above there, but it's, yeah. So it still didn't go. That's all right. It's quite all right. Maybe we get another setup going into the open. I thought I might just go, what's up, Smooth Latino? So, let's see here. $15 to 20 million. Oh, nice. I don't normally like. I would never take that. That was an eval only play, but you know what up, volatility? I was just responding to you there. Yeah, I was looking at the 1 minute. That's what I was entering on, but the 1 minute still closed. It closed above. It hit the internal before it closed. Good morning, Clarity. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, Fred. Yeah, there's not much you can do here. I do got equal highs up at marked out at 165. So I don't mind a pullback here and getting some sort of long setup back into that area at open. I don't know. I do feel like we're probably just going to blast up. Probably just going to blast up at open, but we'll see. Oh, wait a second. What? That's weird. So the account that I traded last night, for whatever reason, is showing the daily P&L. So this is the account I traded last night. Look, it says daily P&L $10, but we made $200 last night. So I don't know why did the P&L reset? We'll see what happens here at open. We got 20 seconds. So 20 seconds. Here we go. See what we get. I'm going to go ahead and participate here with a risky move. Got equal highs up there. I think a VWAP touch is pretty much in order. Well, yes, popped above there and did not. Nasdaq kind of hit the. I mean, I guess I should have probably just taken it there. I was thinking about it and I didn't. On a chase play, I probably should have taken the points, but I still think it runs through there. I actually kind of think I should move this up now. Back above that wick there, I'm going to put the stop in, actually, if we can get a push above there. If not, we just take a loss. ES looking weak here. It kind of popped above the 82 there, didn't hold it. I don't love the look of that, but let's just give it a moment and see what it does. All right, I need to see it go here on this candle. The next candle needs to open up and go green quickly. Does not go green. Might kill it here in a moment. I'm going to give it down to the 26s. I probably should have already taken the profit. I don't quite know why I didn't. I just thought it was going to run through there. It was just a few ticks away. Yep, just going to take it off. Just going to eat it. So 585 there, trying to be aggressive. I mean, we could have certainly taken our 9 points, 9.3 ticks away from my take profit. Probably should have taken it. Good morning, Mad Moxie. Yeah, Jan, you got to kind of find it. You had to kind of find it on there and go with that. So it's probably still going to go back and take the 165. I'm just not going to sit there and hold that the whole time. Probably should have taken it off once this candle turned red. I wanted that candle to open and turn green, and it didn't. So should have been the sign there. It's okay. What up, Yoma? The not bald brother, that's right. The not bald brother. Oh, this thing's going to do me dirty here. TCG Andy, how's it going? I might try it again, guys. We're asking to be wrecked here. Yeah, it does, Jan. Again, guys, I am on an eval here. This is not a funded account. Solothon, what up? Welcome to the chop. The chop it is. Very, very choppy so far. Yeah, ES has got to reclaim the 82. I mean, I think it probably does, but all right, probably going to jump in here. Eval only. $138. All right, I'm in. Kind of back above that wick at 160. I'm going to go ahead and go break even if we get it. Garbage. Garbage. ES pushing above the 82 here. I want to see us pop here and get above this VWAP so we can go. ES is above the VWAP here. We're just kind of out of sync. All right. It's got to go now. All right, I'm out. It's going to go now. It's just going to go without me. National Eval Burn Day. It might be. It's going to go, but it's going to have to go without me now. What's that, Max? All right. Guess I should have held it. Max said hold. Max said you should have held. Sad and rainy day in northeastern USA. Look at this ugly. This is just terrible. Park twice for 180. Twice for 180, Max. Might have should have held there, but if They're already taking the loss, you know. What up, Kevin? This is ugly. Yeah, kind of like, probably so. Just like, you know. Probably should have taken my 8 or 9 points earlier. We'll see kind of what happens here. It's all we can do. We'll try to be a little more patient. Probably a day to be less aggressive. Mm-hmm. Take Private Trader 40% best deal. Or they go any lower? Right now it's the best deal they have. Captain Price. I do expect. Nothing has been announced yet, but I do expect this deal should end soon, and they probably will come out with something a little better. I don't know. I'll probably make a video on it once it happens. Yeah, Jan, there's not much to do. Yeah, right now I think they're it's $85 for the 50K eval. I don't even know how much it is. I think it is 50%. I think it is 50%. The code's not 50 and 50. It's MM. It's always MM. Yeah, I'm not so sure I'm going to get any plays on anything other than evals here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it's tough. This chop. 200-point move overnight. You know, first 10 minutes, 48 points. Looks like your daughter's drawings, yeah. Do, 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 do. Let's see what we get here. Nice little push down. So, yeah, I mean, they have a sale right now. It's just it's $85, and then you get your eval fee back of $85 once you get to pay out. So they refund the $85 once you get to pay out. I think it's 40% off, if I'm not mistaken. Very small gap. All right, pushing lower here. Looks like we might just be moving lower. Maybe the bullishness is gone. Could be the bullishness is gone. I don't know. Scalp 2 points. There's nothing wrong with that. It is a little weird that it left that 165 area. A little weird. I mean, it's not really much to do here. There's the 100 level. I mean, if we lose the 90, we probably elevate her down into the 70 pretty quickly. 75 if we lose 90. Probably see the elevator lower, but at this point, there's just nothing obvious other than being aggressive on an eval, you know, which is what I've been doing. Play the reverse button. So let's see what happens here. Retesting the 200 EMA there. On another 58, yeah. Then we got it marked out down there. All right, see how the ES acts up here at 82 once again. I do like the momentum there, but all right, I'm going to try it again. Why not? We'll take one off there if we can get it. I want to see a nice push right through there, though. I'm watching the ES. If it takes the high first, then we'll probably just get out. Wow, ES rejecting hard here. This is just going to be trappy. Probably going to have to be one of those days where you play the top and the bottom of the range, at least until it breaks out. Yeah, I'm taking that off. Taking that off. I think it's just going to be one of those trappy days where you're going to have to just maybe play the range, top and the bottom of the range. Kind of clear to see already, right? Dun, 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 dun. Thought it would at least touch the VWAP there. We would have got in at break even. ES never broke the high. There comes the dumpage. I don't think I'm going to be trading the live accounts today, or not live. I don't think I'm going to be trading the funded accounts today at all. Just based off what I've seen so far. I'm okay with trading an eval, you know. If we mess up an eval, not that big a deal. Looks, I mean, it's choppy. Kind of middle of the range here. Let's see. What's today's date? Oh, so Bulenox did us dirty here. Look at there. They went back to 90%. So I have to check Bulenox every single day. All right, so Bulenox back to 90%, guys and girls. Bulenox back to 90%. Yeah. Tech T probably makes sense. So we'll update that in a minute. What up, Cussy? Kissy? Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Clarity. I'm being a little more, just a little more aggressive. A little more aggressive than I should be being. This is garbage. This is really bad. $90% off on the Bulenox. All right, let's go. I'm going to take an aggressive short here. Why not? The longs have not been working, so why not? Might just rip our face off. He has made a new low there, so we do have an SMT as well. So we are just in chop. I do think there's a decent chance. I mean, if we're failing to go higher, we probably go lower, right? I don't know. It's kind of a thought. Let's go ahead and get our stop in here. Try to take some points here at least. Just going to take that off there, get a few points back. As long as it's been working for you, yeah, if you buy in the right spot. Yeah, Predator, probably not a bad idea, right? Yeah, I mean, longs are working if you're buying, if you're doing like a range play. This depends on where you buy at, where you sell at. Obviously, I've not been picking the right spots. I think we have equal lows down there. 2017 area, 2016 area. I actually don't even have them marked. What is that line? It would be kind of interesting if we leave the 165. It's kind of looking like that's what it's doing. We're already 70 points lower, so at this point, we'll just, you know, play what we see. And so far, we're seeing what we shouldn't be doing. ES may want to retest 63. That's down there, kind of where the overnight low is anyway. We'll see. Dun, 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 dun. So we may adjust a little bit here. We might start making some range plays. We'll see. Range plays might be the way to go. Good thing we took some points there and didn't try to go for a home run. We didn't try to go for a home run play. Yeah, I did. You're just watching, made 2K on your XFA. Let's go. Hey, yes, Biggs, if you made 2K, that's awesome. That is awesome. This is the definition of chop. Just no clean price action in either direction, really. If I long, you should short. If I short, you should long. That's all you got to do. Easy game. Easy game. Long. Let's go. ES is repushing the 80 here. So ES back to the 81s here. VWAP right there at the 81, 82 area is the key level that we've been unable to kind of hold above there on the ES. If I do nothing, then all in. Exactly. Let's see if the ES holds below the 82 this time. Seems kind of like it might. Kind of got a downward trend line here. I'm going to take another stab short here with a kind of like a 1 bar stop. And I'm going to go break even probably like 105 area. Somewhere like in here. Yeah, around here. Be fine. See if we can get a little continuation back below the 100. No. Might have got the stop in a little too soon there. Probably should have waited for the 105s. So it would kind of be like right now. What up, River Rat? Now short 5. Tape Profit Trader is back with no activation fee. Oh, did they? Did they do that, S-Bigs? Because I was waiting on that. They told me that would happen soon. Let me see. All right, let's go. 40% off. I'm going to buy some of those right now. Oh, you can just use the code MM for that one. Just use the code MM. That's going to get you the best code, the best discount. So 40% off and no activation fee. Thank you for telling me that. There we go. It is updated. Plus 230 to 290 on Far Fund. Good job. Let's go. Nice job, Black Beauty. We are kind of, we're in the macro here. See what happens on this push up. Are we going to continue to push up now? I might try this on kind of a close above, kind of a break of the trend line. All right, we'll try it. Why not? It'll probably wreck us, but we'll give it the college try. See if we can push into the 165. Can we do it? We got top of the hour here. We're in the macro. If it wants to run this liquidity, if we are indeed going to go higher, it'll do it now. If we're not, it just won't do it. It just won't do it. Not looking like it's doing it. And stopped out. It's going to stop me out and then go. Be dirty. We're just on an eval today, guys, for now. I don't think we'll be taking any live plays, to be honest. I mean, am I really going to be one candle too soon there? One candle too soon? Maybe. Gotta sneeze, guys. Hold on. Sorry about that. Yeah, looks like I'm probably one candle too soon. Gisley, I don't know. This is chopped. I'm getting chopped up. There's no real direction. We're down 1470 on this eval. Just getting chopped up. Looking for normal setups, and they're not really there. But, I mean, if you're going to get chopped up, an eval's the place to do it. Dun, 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 dun. 125. Yeah, river rat. It's not really doing anything, right? I mean, if we push above the VWAP, maybe we go. What up, Stock Tiger? Good morning. What is limit? MIT? What? What does that mean? What are you talking about, Room Beats? I'm confused. It's kind of what I was waiting on earlier, a minute ago. Just a candle too soon. ES already took the high here. Nasdaq did not. Nasdaq did not. Good morning, TJ. The 1 minute closed. Well, that's such a small 1 minute, though. It did seem like that's what was holding us down, though. Pulling back here 130s. Yeah, we'll give it one more shot. Why not? Yes, doesn't hold the 82, then we just get bombed against, probably. If ES holds the 82, then we got a shot here for the 65. But if it doesn't, then it just kills us. I might just take it off at the VWAP. We'll see. Depends on the momentum through here. Well, it tried. It tried. ES losing the 82. Just chopping, guys. Small 30-second gap on discount. Need a strong close below. Maybe river rat. This is bad. There you have it. Stopped out again. Stopped out again. IB it is. I don't even know if I trust IB today, to be honest. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to trade the funded accounts at all today, guys. Just too choppy. There's no point in risking it. you want to sling an eval around, I think that's fine. We're just waiting. Boom, 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 boom. So what is the so the 40% off no activation fee on Take Profit Trader? I think that makes the accounts $102, if I remember correctly, for the 50K. We only got a little bit left in this eval, so we may as well just give it a go. Yeah, $102. So not bad. I'm going to go ahead and pick up 3 of those, right? Or actually, well, we'll pick up 2, 3 of these now. Guess I'll add a couple more later on. Won't trade these today. Marcin, no news Monday. We had a 200-point range overnight. There's no news today. So that's all it is. I mean, probably going to be very similar tomorrow, let's be honest. We also don't have any news really tomorrow. So just one of those days where it's best just to stay out. Or just trade an eval like I'm doing. That's why I'm just letting this kind of roll. Not even, you know. We got only like maybe $50 more dollars in drawdown, so. But yeah, I'm going to try to get 5 Take Profit Trader accounts funded. That's going to be the idea going forward. I mean, you can kind of tell this before the market even opened. I mean, when you see a 200-point move overnight on a no news Monday coming into a Monday, that kind of gives you all the information that you need. So, like I said, to me, it's an eval only day. I would not trade anything other than an eval. If you do and you make money, shut it down early, get out. Great job to those who did this morning. But it's just not, this is not something that's going to, that I know that I'm going to be successful at, this type of price action. The inverses don't work that well on choppiness. They just don't. So. No, nothing really works well on choppiness, let's be honest. Let's be honest. Excuse me. Yes, kind of retesting the 82 there, unable to go. All right, we'll take that off there. Give us a little bit of room there to play with. $400 to play with on this account. See if we can't grind it back. Yeah, MK, this is not something you really want to trade. Yeah, let's see. Is the longer that they take, I mean, to be honest with you, like I really thought we'd run through this at open. You know, hit the equilibrium and then probably sell down, but we just didn't get there. Probably goes now. You got initial balance in 15 minutes. There we go. Now we're getting some momentum. Watch it not get there again. No funded trades, Yoma. No funded trades. This is trash. You take any, Yoma? Let me pull you up and see. Two 5-pointers. Nice. Oh, I don't blame you, Yoma. Fairly quick scalps. Nice. I don't know. I mean, I've been all over the place this morning on this count. I guess I probably could have used a cheaper account to do this. Yeah, 5 days of $100 on the starter. Look at it. Oh, there we go. There we go. ES pushed up to 89 there. Next level up, 96. Looks like it's kind of accepting that area above 82 now. So maybe we continue higher. Maybe. Andy, this is Quantower. Quantower. Guess we'll wait for the initial balance play, see kind of what happens. Well, we have built up some a little bit of trend line here. A little trend line liquidity there. Couple touches. We do still have equal lows below at the 18. So I wouldn't be surprised. If we get a short out of this, I might take it. I think the push into the 180 to 215s kind of makes sense. Got that level up there at 212. Maybe that's the next sweep. And we'll see. Uh-oh. Yeah, Lassie, nothing wrong with that. I was thinking, like, you know it's not going to leave that 165 level, but, like, you know, just makes it tough to do anything there. Just saw this chop. I guess we were kind of putting in. It's like OBS disconnected for a moment, but we're back. So we are down 1,600 on this eval. Let's see if we can't work it back to green. You never know, right? You never know. Yeah, Yomo, you can do that. It blows the account, but you can do that. Not sure what the split is. I don't know if there's a split on that. I don't think there is. Maybe there is, but I don't think there is. So we're just kind of waiting to see what happens here. See if ES can kind of hold that 82. That's going to be the key level today, seems like. So we're just waiting. Already decided eval only today, guys. I should probably put a note up for the people who come in. Eval only. Guys, Apex is still having the 80% off, $85 lifetime activation fee on the accounts there. It's a really good deal. You'll watch 140. Yeah, I guess you kind of have an OB there. All right, about to pull back and retest 82. Nothing wrong with that. 36 points. Let's go, Jamie. Nice job. $16-point risk. I don't know, guys. I was considering a long here. 16-point stop. Man, I'm waiting too long here to enter. We'll try it. Why not? Something like that. My VWAP's down here at 149. Is that kind of accurate today? Is anybody else's VWAP? Where's y'all's VWAPs at? Oh, we're red. Bassett on the eval only, though. Above the SWIC. I'll break even. 149 is correct. All right. I'm going to take the 10 points there. Take the 10 points. You want to sweep, and that is tries to go lower. Yeah. Down 1,400 on his eval now. Do I trade Bluesky on Quantower? I have never done that, D. All right. Well, let's see kind of what happens. I am just hanging out here, guys. Trev, we're red on an eval. Red. Let's kind of watch here. No, it's not mass at me either. No, not at all. I am kind of trying to just pick spots to just take 10 points here or there. I think instead of trying to get it all back in one trade, maybe just taking 10 points makes sense. That's missed by a tick. It says 176.75 and 177. Thanks for saying that, though, because IB does set in 3 minutes here. So let's see what happens. Yeah. Trev, I mean, I'm on an evaluation now. I will take a funded trade on the initial balance play. So we'll see here what we get. Got another 2-3 minutes. I'll let you guys know. I'll pull it over. Nutty is very consistent on his Apex rants. Yeah. That Apex interview with Catskill had everybody in the comments pissed. Oh, did it? So a break and retest, MK. So like some sort of break and retest. I want to see a nice close above, maybe like the 188, 7-8 points above close, and then pull and go. You're long now, Bassett? Let's go. What time is it? 10:30 coming up here. All right. So let's pull this over now. I'm going to go ahead and just cover this over the rest of that. Because, let's see here. So 20 seconds. Let's see if this one holds or not. It's going to be one of those where it closes right at it. So kind of want to see a push above, close in that 87, 88 area. Maybe near the 90 would be ideal. You don't want to see like a weak candle like that. Picking up steam. Let's hope so. We clear 2027 should take off a bit. This is not the close of the candle that we were dreaming of. Yeah, Jan. We go back to chop. It looks weak, to be honest. Looks weak here, but like I said, we'll play it like we're supposed to. If we get a nice candle close above, we'll take it. You're long from 168. Let's go. You'd rather going for a retest of 160? What's the 160 retest? This wick? All right, let's see here. Good morning, Gabriel. All right, let's see if we get it here. Let's see kind of what we get here, guys. We'll see. Let's check our email here. Let's check our email. I don't know if you guys saw that, I guess Fast Track is offering the automated payouts now, so hopefully that will speed things up. I did go ahead and transfer my payout request into the automated system last night, or yeah, actually this morning. So hopefully we get those payouts middle end of the week would be nice. help fund my next vacation trip. I'm probably going to Jacksonville this weekend, maybe on Thursday. Possibly, I know the hurricane's moving through there Wednesday into Thursday, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't do much damage, and maybe we'll go, but otherwise we might not go. And then next week will be my trip to Austin, Texas, for the Texas-Georgia game. Should be fun. So I was kind of on the fence about going, but now I'm kind of leaning towards going. Put some of the payout money in this this affiliate money to good use, right? Why not? You had the mail when I woke up around 7 a.m. Let's go. Oh. So let's see what we get. Kind of consolidating here, which means that if it breaks out, it probably goes. Do I just take it here? I do kind of like the look of this. I'm going to jump in probably too early here. I should have probably waited for it to bust through. No. Oh, well. No. That was a horrible decision. Let's be honest. We haven't made the best of decisions today, so this is not shocking. I mean, I looked over here on my WADA, and I saw a nice bar, and I was like, oh, this is just going to bust through there. And it didn't. That's to send the payout using automated system. There is no spot to enter the P&L or consistency. Yeah, they don't need that, Anna, anymore. Yeah. Mistakes were made. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I shouldn't have did that. I don't know. I should have waited for the normal play. I just didn't. Yeah, so I'll show you guys kind of like what it looks like on the Fast Track Trading website. Let's see. I don't think there's anything in there you guys can't see. So I guess for whatever reason it's not letting me see. Is it because I've already requested a payout on those? Okay, yeah. Must be. So it looks something like this. So you got your account number, the number of days, whatever that you traded. So you can see on this account, I'm up 795. It says not eligible. Largest winning day, 250. Largest losing day, 255. Keeping it consistent there. And then when you go to request a payout, you would just come down all the way down at the bottom and request a payout. Once it says eligible. So it says right here, your best day, consistency in the max is 20. Yeah, that's because we haven't hit the 1200 yet, 1250. But that's what it looks like. You would hit payout, kind of go from there. Hopefully it's quicker. I mean, like they say that it is. We'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I didn't, Jan. I didn't eat the vegetables. Oh, goodness. Yeah, River Rat, that's the best thing you can do, though. Like, that's the best thing you can do. So no more consistency worksheet. It figures all that stuff out for you on its own. So I did go ahead and re-request my payouts there. Re-request those. Man, why did I long there? It's so stupid. I'm still going to wait for the play. I'll risk another $400. It's fine. Tactical empathy. Oh, goodness. Did we just short here? It's rolling over. And there we go. Yeah, it is too late, Jan. I do think if we close below the 140s, we could quickly move down and back to that 100 level. Oh, yeah, where's the VWAP at? Ah, we hit the VWAP. Nice bounce off the VWAP there. Yes, Clarity, if you've not received approval yet, you need to resubmit. If we get below the 150s here, I might take it. Maybe it'll be another dumb trade for me. I don't know. Holding the VWAP for now. That's a nice bounce, though. I'm jumping in here. I'm going to risk one candle on this. Probably should risk more, but and stopped out. All right, done on that account for today. What do we lose there? Let's see, down 750. So I have some more work to do on that. ES got back above the 82s there, looking like it might want to push. Watch the initial balance play work now. What time is it there? Yeah, 43 after. It's fine. Yeah, exactly, Jan. Every time. Every time. I did short into the VWAP, let's be honest. I don't know. I thought the ES is going to hold below the VWAP there, hold below the 82, and just get the waterfall down. And it just didn't. So I mean, I think a quick run into the 130s kind of makes sense, but we'll see. Just got to get back through the VWAP there. Back below that wick, 145s. This thing should run. IB8 rejection. Yeah. Want to see some expansion below that 145 area there. Run into the 135 quickly. No expansion lower there. It's kind of bouncing. Do got a pivot there at 145, so let's see if we can get through there. Got to hold below the 150s here. Got to hold below that VWAP if it's going to continue to move lower. Still just chopping. No real direction here. Just chopping up, chopping down, taking the monies. That's all it's doing. Can she go? This market's great. I hope you're kidding. I hope you're kidding. I do think we might get a little waterfall down here. Retest of the 140s. I might participate. Just going to look for 10 points on it. Nothing crazy. So 137, I'll put my stop in. It's kind of back below the body of that candle there. I want to see it just continue lower. Something like that. I mean, come on. I know my take profit was just below the 200 there, but what does the name mean? More or less Stock Tiger, because it's just kind of a reference to how I play poker. My one of my friends, Stuart, used to always say I was methodical when I played poker, so I don't know, I just came up with the methodical man. He just always called me methodical man, so we made it our channel. Bounce at 123. I mean, it could. Didn't quite make it to 123, though. We got 2 minutes until the macro. Is the macro going to take us higher, or is it going to take us lower? I really don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, my lean is lower, but I don't know. I don't know. Rabbits dart around like popcorn. Valentine, macro is like the last 10 minutes of the hour, first 10 minutes of the hour. Yeah, I don't know. Black Beauty, I don't know. I don't know. It's hard to, I don't know what to say about it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I've actually tried catching a rabbit. I actually have. Considering, I don't know. It's one of those things where we don't know the real numbers. I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to withhold judgment until we get more information. Bulenox still 90%? Yes. SS Trading, they just they literally like 30 minutes ago, I just saw the sale, so just got it a few minutes ago. I do apologize if you paid more. That sucks. All right, ES pushing back above the VWAP in the 82 here, kind of testing that upper trend line. See if it wants to break through it. We are in the macros, so if we are indeed going to run higher. Thank you, Charles Martin. You the man. Kind of a little rejection there. Yes, retesting the VWAP there. Are we going to continue higher? Kind of retesting the bottom of the trend line. This trend line here from the bottom. On the 1 minute. I mean, it feels like it's going to the high, doesn't it? Feel that to you guys? But it feels like it wants to run this wick up here at 76 at least. Maybe not. Yeah, there's not Benny. I think that I still think we push up, but maybe not. I haven't been right very often today, so there's all that. There's always that. And just like that, just rips lower. Feels like a BlackRock reach around. Oh, I don't think there's any news. It's just bad price action. Wax you in the head with a 2x4. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, we retested that trend line. That is kind of like where you would expect maybe a short, to short from, but what are we at on this account? Down 1,300. ES holding up here at the 82. Two pair of underwear. Something. Now, Benny, we've been on an eval all day. We are down 565 on our other account. It was 750. I did take a little $200 winner on a little push down here. Took the same trade. But just been on eval mostly all day. Just on eval. Down 1,300 on the eval. Exactly, Tom. Aaliyah Jane, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. I mean, here's the thing. If I short here, you know, yeah, I'll be. I'm just sticking to an eval here. I'm going to go ahead and take the short here. And again, I'm just looking for short, small winners. I'm not looking for anything crazy. I'll go with like that wick as a stop. If it continues above the wick, I'll obviously just get stopped out. 7 points. Look for a little 10-point winner. We're not going to go for anything crazy here. And stopped out. Maybe it just wants to go higher. I don't know. You're long. Let's go. Do we hold? I don't know. I don't think so. Is there a 5-minute? Let's check it. I mean, where's one at? I don't even see one. Up here? I mean, there's one there. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. 175. Yeah, Aaliyah. I mean, this is bad. This is bad for sure. I'm trading an eval. If I smoke it, I smoke it. It's one of those days where I'm not, you know, not worried about it. I still think the short probably plays. I probably just had too short of a stop, to be honest. I probably should have put it up here above 176, but didn't want to risk too much. We'll see how the IB plays out here. IBH. Do we reject there again? Maybe. Might try it again. Might. I agree. I agree, kind of like. Yeah, I guess there was a 30-second there. I really didn't see it. Not very big, but yeah, that was clean. That's probably one of the cleanest plays we've had, I guess. All right, there's IBH retest. Your long is paying. The long is paying. Nice job, Bassett. Let's go. You're able to manage 1,500 and all this. That's excellent. Excellent. We're going to have a pretty big SMT if the Nasdaq can run the 187. Because ES is not really near the high. It's about 5 points off right now. Yeah, nice job, Bassett. That was a good long. I'm going to try a little short here. In late, obviously. Only in 15 points before. I probably should have shorted IBH, but probably throw the stop in below 161 there. There we go. Just going to take it off right there. Down 1,000 off that play. Still could kind of run this trend line still. There's the old elevator. The elevator. Yeah, Gabriel, you probably should have sold at the top. Oh. Well, I didn't see the equal highs. River Rat. You are right. You are correct. I did not see that. I missed the equal highs. Looks like it would have hit my TP. Just when it wicked me and went back up, I was like, we'll just take it. So still down 1,000 on this account. We'll see if we can't find spots to bring it back. Yeah, it is interesting. We left those equal highs up there. I guess we'll mark those out just so that we don't forget those. Let's make sure they are equal. They sure look equal. Yep. Indeed. What up, Kelly? How's it going? Gabriel, you got to open your eyes, man. You got to open your eyes. I mean, that's really the only thing kind of holding us up here. We get below that, we do have a lot of that trend line liquidity that can be ran. Kind of are in middle of the range, though. Maybe in discount, in fact. Tom Sabo, where's Tom at? Tom trading today? Gotta start checking on Tom's stream. I keep forgetting. I'm gonna go down one level to the extreme dirty girl here. The extreme dirty girl. I'm on the 15-second chart. I actually don't even see anything there. Not anything obvious. I'm gonna need one more leg lower. Yeah, I did for some resistance. I longed into it once already. Great move. Very smart. Open stand up late watching Little Tom every night. Yeah, I like Tom. Somebody commented on one of my streams like, "What, you don't like Tom Sabo?" I think they were maybe heard me making a Sabo comment and thought that I didn't like Tom. I was like, "No, Tom's my friend." They're like, "Oh." You can talk about your friends like that. Yeah, I got the 10-second chart up to the WeVop. The WeVop. We're at the WeVop, or below it. I mean, if you close below this line, you would expect us to run, you know, probably down into the 112s at least. But it's not really an entry. Okay, I'll take this. I might try this. We'll try it. See if the 10-second closes above. What up, Tom? What do we get here? Do we continue lower, or is this a rip back up? I don't know. Kind of seems lower. The 10-second, yeah. You never know, right? I don't know. Do I take an aggressive short here? Probably not very smart. But I don't claim to be a smart man. We don't claim to be a very smart man. We claim to be, in fact, idiots. Stop to break even at 116. There's the close below. So 116 will be the stop to break even here. Not real sure where the stop out will be. That's kind of fluid. We don't know where that is. We'll see, Candlelight. Nothing's been obvious today, so we could just get our face ripped off here. It would be par for the course if we got our face ripped off. But it is a bit of a stupid trade, let's be honest. A chase, if you will. And chases definitely haven't been paying. What up, Range Trader? How you doing? Well, that begs the question, is it DCA time? Maybe. DCA off the 20. Or the 200, not the 20. Ideally, we just go down. DCA time. There's no rules, Moses, yet. They haven't made anything like concrete yet, I guess. Nothing is concrete yet. Might be death to this account here. Let's see. Do we just keep DCAing on the way up? Ooh, there was a 30-second long there. I missed. No one told me there was a 30-second long. Oh, equal highs above with a 30-second long. I want to see that long fail now. I'm second guessing the short here now. Oh, there's my chance to get out break even. And of course, we don't take it. Oh, you told me you took it? I didn't see it. I wasn't looking. All right, I'm out. I'm out of it. Oh, I see it now, Bassett. I wasn't looking. I wasn't looking there. You're not out yet, though. Your break even is now. All right, why not? We're in super late, but that's all right. That's how we roll on an eval. That's how we roll on an eval. Yes, at the VWAP. We're only on eval here, guys. We're only on evals. Got to get above the VWAP here. Got to get above that VWAP to get going. Yeah, that 30-second was clean. I wish I would have seen it. I didn't notice it. Should have been in much lower, like 130, what? Like 134-ish. All right, we're going to go break even here because we're at this imbalance, and we don't know if it's going to make it through this or not. So we go break even here. You already hit all the targets. You hit the target there on the 30-second long as well. So actually, 156 probably at least makes sense. That's the imbalance on the 30-second chart. See if it can go. Full degen. Yeah, where we're at, tough. 156 makes sense to at least make it to, which it just did. Beyond that, I don't really know. Do have the equal highs up there, 183, so that's going to be my target. ES pushing up 184s here. I don't love my entry, obviously. Very late. I'm going to use my 2-minute chart to kind of trail. Obviously, if we can get a close above 165, that would be awesome. That means we probably go to the 180s, but we'll see here. DCA long, DCA, get in there. Come on. Let's close above 165. That would be very, very ideal. Losing momentum up here. ES still kind of like triple topping right there above the VWAP. Not really going yet. All right, now, come on. Got to hold the VWAP here. Turn this thing green. You got 20 seconds. Turn it green. There we go. Keep going. Trailing up here to the 50 level. It's locking in $120. All right, got stopped out. What can you do? Yeah. Oh, well, we gave it the old college try. At least we had the whereabouts to switch long, right? When we see a, you know, maybe we get another setup out of that. I don't know. Back down $1,000. I mean, we're like struggling so hard on this eval. Oh. Yes, just stuck at the VWAP. It just cannot get away from the VWAP. You still like the 165, 1 minute? Trend channel. Yeah, it's kind of behind the leg. What up, Mr. Futures Trader? I mean, to me, to enter long again, we're going to need another pullback here, I think. I mean, we could enter off the 10-second. Would be being very aggressive. But hey, that's our middle name, right? I don't know. I haven't checked on Husk. I need to. Watching the 10-second here. Gonna go break even above that wick. Right there. See if it'll run. Entered off a 10-second inverse here. Stops in break even quick. Maybe it can go. Never know. Nope. We tried. Benny said pull back to the 40. I mean, maybe. I don't know. It almost got, yeah, I guess it almost got there. There we're going. Now we're going. I mean, here's the thing. This is not really an entry, right? Above 174. But it's reasonable to think if we close above this gap that we go to the equal highs at 183 at least. Probably S-Bigs. Seems to make sense. So do we full port above here? Do we port report above there? I don't know. Do we get a full port going above there? How many can we even trade on my funded futures? Do y'all guys, anybody know? 2? 3? I don't even know. Can we go 3? Let's do it like this and see. Yeah, we can go 3. Can we go 4? Three it is. Intraday option scalper. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, this is interesting. I don't mind that. Let's pull back even more. Well, yeah, Jan, I'm like trying to find spots here, but it's just gambling. Let's be honest. It's just gambling. Yeah, Yusuf, it's just we're just glued to the VWAP, but it is giving a little support. I almost longed here and put my stop kind of down here, but really probably would need to go below the pivot. We'll give it a try. We'll take one off at 5-ish. One at the little above 10. And we'll go kind of would like it to take that first one out quickly here. That was pretty dirty. It was like one tick from that thing. Well, let's see. It is lavender. It's bad. Yeah, go ahead and put the stop in. Yeah, it is a gambling channel. Oh, nice job, Soliton. Nothing wrong with that, Vince. Can we go or not? Got 5 minutes here until the London close. Trading the 10-second because of chop. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're not going. Shorts actually might make a little more sense out of this area. Obviously, we pushed into a bearish gap there, but I thought with the London close coming up and the equal highs above, maybe price might want to push into there, but maybe not. I can't even get 5 points. All right, next candle R2, we're going to need this thing to go at least to our first target. All right, stops in, break even. We want to see this run now. I'm going to kind of trail this up here. Just kind of want to lock something in here, so. There we go. All right. Yay, we're only down $600 now. You're DCing like a real DGing. Let's go. I mean, I think it's reasonable to think we hit the 183, but I don't know. We'll just take what it offers us. Tough. What up, 0 to hero? You missed the VWAP opening. You missed something. This is a 50K. We're doing bad, Yoma. We are down $600. I mean, to be fair, though, we were down $1,700 at one point. So, working it back a little bit. Ooh, this is interesting. I mean, technically speaking, on the 30-second chart here, 10-second did not close below either. There is an A+ short setup on the 30-second chart. We would be shorting right into VWAP. It's not that obvious. 4 points. But technically, this is an A setup. Sweep of liquidity, delivery from a fair value gap. We're in premium. But the problem is, I guess it's not A+ because we do have equal highs above. That'd be the only thing making it not A+. Probably wouldn't take it. No, it's not funded, Yolma. I'm not trading the fundeds today. Thanks, intraday. No fundeds today for me. What we might do, though, if we do close above this, I might long scalp it. There's the London close. If we get a momentum candle through here, we'll take it, but I don't know that we will. A lot of wicks. A lot of trades. A lot of wicks. They actually do, Sam. They allow 6-tick scalping now. So you can't go 5 ticks, but you can go 6 ticks. 6 ticks it is. Yeah, Gabriel, I'm going to wait for us to get above 174 and then I'll long. We'll go 3. They did loosen up the micro scalping rule a little bit there. You can go 6 ticks now. Yeah, it was, Sam. They changed it though to 6 ticks. Yeah, me too, Gabriel. That's why Alpine is trading them now, because they came out and said that 6 ticks was fine. That's why he's doing it. How's everybody else doing today? Are they doing better than me? Hopefully so. Does not look like Nutty has taken a trade. What about Mr. Volatility? My funded futures, Bull Bear. Oh, volatility screen. Nice. 6 ticks. Nice job, Benny. Oh, I'm tempted, but I could get destroyed here. Oh, you the man, Owlboy. Appreciate you. Yeah, Take Profit Trader allows scalping. Oh, now you're on the losing end? Eh, me too. Me too, Tom. No worries. I mean, you know, hopefully you guys are on evals, though. It is an eval only type day. Oh, man, this is such a tempting long here. Yeah. I mean, I agree. Yes, Biggs. Either lose or win. Yeah. Exactly. I like that bounce off of that 20 there. No way you can lose 100 times in a row. That's right. That's impossible. My grandmother would say, go down yonder. Where's that? Yeah. If you hit the daily loss limit on a Topstep account, is that account? No. Peter, you can trade it tomorrow if you hit it. It's a soft breach. It doesn't kill the account. Sir Smoke 235 is awesome, man. Great job. All right, here comes, guys and gals. Here she comes. This is a chase play on an eval only. You want to make that clear. All right, I'm going to take it there. And I'm just going to take 2 off at 5. And I'm going to try to take the other one off at the equal highs there. And we'll put the stop in at break even once we hit the 178. I didn't wait for the close above because seems like we kind of got a dirty close, so could wait for the close above to be safer. Looks like that might have been the play. Oh man, getting wrecked. Where's the logical spot to stop this out? I don't know. Still long 123. Nice job, Red. I guess if we lose the 20, I'll probably just kill it. We kind of been riding that 20 up. Kind of been riding the 20 up. We're going to give back all our gains that we got back. Well, got a little dip below here. Oh, we should have just waited, I guess. All right, I'm going to put the stop in now. That's what we should have waited on, because the clean long setup probably out of this. But we're probably going to be like, I don't even, might blow the account here. I think if it hits our stop, we probably do blow it. Yeah, I think we probably blew it. Well, did we? Or do you get 2,500? Yeah, no, we blew it. We blew it. But watch this clean long out of this now. Should have waited for the clean long. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. This would be, it's an A setup. Well, actually, depends on where we're at in this leg. This could be considered A+. Let's see. Let's measure. It's just an A. A little bit high in the leg. Let's go invest. Nice job. This is probably the best looking setup so far that we've seen. Other than that one trade earlier off the 32nd, which paid nicely. Maybe we get a little lower of an I mean, this is a little bit high. But overall, with equal highs above, I still think it's a decent. I think it's a decent setup. Probably Owlboy. I just stuck to a. I mean, we are down $400 on the directive funding from Tradeify, 460. But other than that, we've stuck to an eval. Same thing. This is an eval as well. Invest took the short wire long. No, so sad. My long was a chase play. Let's be honest. I should have waited for a close above, and I did not. We just kind of wicked. Guess we did leave. Those are kind of like right next to each other, though. What looks best here? I do think the 1 minute's probably fine. All right, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and get in here. And if it pulls back, we will we'll add. As far as break even on this trade, I mean, really it's 176 right now. Oh my goodness, guys. I just noticed I'm on micros. On the micros. Well, I would. I mean, at the $2,600 mark, I would take a payout, Owlboy. Oh, let's go, Yoma. Cool. All right, I guess we're in 12. I'll take like something like that. We'll try to leave a runner on up here somewhere. Maybe at the 2,200. So stop out's a close back below. Break even stop. I mean, realistically, probably above 170 should be. But I think above this wick, we just run anyway. That's what we'd like to see. But might just get stopped out here. Oh. Didn't see the equal lows down there. Oh, we're on the micros, though. So that might be... Yeah, those aren't equal lows. All right. Looks like it's going to be a loss. Stop is in. Close below. A great start to this account, just like the other one, huh? Yes, holding the 82 there. We got to fight back above the VWAP if we're going to go. A lot of the big green candles have been getting filled. Yeah, we'll see. We did leave equal lows again. 146, like right below my stop, or right above my stop. So probably going to come back and clean those up. Probably getting stopped here. Yeah, still holding up there at the 82s for now. Looks like it's probably going to lose it. You don't like to use a stop loss? Yeah, Steve, tough day. I mean, it's all right, right? Yeah, I have days like that. It's just on eval, so I'm not Oh, so we ran the equal lows on the NQ, but so maybe we can go now. Let's see. Let's see if we can reverse back to the upside, which means this is bad price action, but still could happen. Yeah, I don't. I try to use a stop loss. I mean, I put it in usually when it makes sense to. So that's what I'm doing here. If we can get above 155 here, we might be able to go. Got to kind of get back above this gap, this inverse. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, SBIX. Mental stop loss. Nothing wrong with that. I do think I am going to move this down a little more. Probably a bad idea, but a lot of wicks down here, so it feels like, you know, feels like price probably going to want to wick those right quick. Let's see. Come on, get it above there. Let's go. Yeah, that's true, Sam. Should we DCA above here? If we get back above 159, do we just go back in with, do we double our size? Oh. 100%. Oh. We could full port. We could move the stop down and full port. I don't love it. I think I'm gonna get destroyed. But we're gonna do it. Why not? So we're either gonna blow this account or to rip back up. We'll see. Why not? That's right. Just got to do it. I do think if we get above that 55 area that we get a nice little rip above. Or I could just take it off back at the VWAP, get out, break even. Could. If it offers it, maybe. All right, let's see if this thing can push back up now. I don't love the look of it. It is becoming comical hot streak. That's what we're doing. I think I'm going to just try to get out break even. We're just going to try our best to get out and reevaluate. Let's try. Your method of losing, add more position and wait for stop loss and use a good lot size. Oh. That's kind of what we're doing. Come on. Just get me out. Perfect. Just get us out. Hey, we made $6. I do think if it gets back above this gap that we probably push hard, but... All right. There we go. There we go. We got out. Yeah, Vince, I think it's a really good account if you can pass it. You're going to have to be careful with it, though. Let's not, don't no gambling on that one. No gambling on that account. Got to treat that one like a funded. Oh, me too. I think they're really good. They pay quickly, too. Woo! Yeah, it is. It is expensive to gamble. I mean, $102. You don't want to be gambling. You want to make sure you're trading that correctly. I mean, my goodness, I just don't see how we don't run back to the 183s here. We'll see this hit the internal here. I'll go break even there at the internal. 30-second already closed above. So that'll be my break even stop. Obviously, these gaps here are the ones that are holding us down, not necessarily these. So it is a relative risky trade as well. Lovely. Wow. Got out of the trade, got back in it, and it rips against me. What time is it? 55 after 2. I'm going to take it off. 30-second close back below. I guess I just need to wait. This is the thing. If we can't close above this, then really stabbing at it is irrelevant. Because this is the leg that's holding us down. So let's just keep that out. Looks like we're just going to move down now. Really does. Yeah, exactly, Sir Doss. What up, Kiamber? Yeah, it's tough. It's just chop. That's all it is. It's just, I want to take your money. That's why I'm on an eval. So we lost 547 on that trade. Man. I mean, it really does. Look like it wants to move lower now. We may take one more trade. We'll see. Do we try to short? Do we short? This is garbage. Very, very garbage. $30 points. Flip a coin, tell short heads long. All right, let's do it, Vince. Do this. Yeah, exactly, Lavender. I'm thinking short, so I probably should long. Is that what you're saying? Probably should long here. All right, Lavender said it, so I'm going to do it. Oh. Wait, if I'm thinking short, I should long. Or how many people are positive? Sure. Zero. I don't know. There's people who can navigate this. Some people trade really well in chop, and some don't. I'm one that kind of like, if I can recognize chop early, I can navigate it, but I haven't really made any adjustments today to it, to be honest with you. $14 to $50. Let's go. Nice job, Fish Lips. Let's go. I think we run these wicks down here. Let's see. That's what I think. I should have long, though. I told Lavender I should long. Can we get 7 points through the pivot? Through the pivot. Nice job, range trader. I said I thought short, so I probably should go long. I probably look at it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Elevator? Question mark. Elevator? Do we get the elevator here? Elevator? Elevator? Question mark. We are looking for the elevator. Can we get the elevator? Oh my goodness. I'm looking for the elevator. So far, we are not getting the elevator. I was going to go stop to break even below this wick. We didn't even get that. Elevator? Are you coming? Okay, okay. There is the elevator. Come on, elevator. Don't do me dirty. No, come on. There we go. You want more. Don't pretend like you don't. You want more. The funny thing is, this looks like a big elevator. That's like 10 points, guys. That's like 10 points. Ulaanbaatar? That's how you say it? Ulaanbaatar? I'm going to trail this down. Something like that. Might get stopped, but trying to give it a chance to go, but locking some in. All right. Down $200 on that account now. Exactly, Benny. That looked like it was a big move, right? But it wasn't. How do you change your chart background? Money video, all you do is right-click. If you're on Quantire, go down to Settings. Go to View. Scroll down to where it says Back Top Color. Make it black. Back Bottom Color. Make it black. Price. Make it black. Time Vertical. Make it black. Scroll down to Time. Make it black. Make it black. Price. Make it black. Make it black. That's it. That is it. Guys, if you didn't know, Bulenox is back to 90% off. Take Private Traders 40% off with no activation fee, so $102 for a 50K account. Use the code MM for the best deal. MyFundy Futures, I think the 20% sale does end today. Use the code MM for that. Yeah, Apex is still 80% off one-day pass. I think they got like another 4 days on that. $85 for the one-day pass there. Lifetime activation. And Tradeify is 55% off the growth accounts, 40% off the direct to funded. And Fast Track is still 55% off right now if you pick up the accounts with them. Yeah, no worries, money. What should we eat for lunch today? That's what we should do a poll on. What should we eat for lunch? Nothing can make you go loco like NQ. Yeah. I don't know. Toddlers can be pretty crazy though, SBX. I got a toddler. Let's go. Now, 143 is not bad 40s. Like that's in line with what you pay for a lifetime fee pretty much anywhere else when you think about it. Now, anything above that, I would tend to agree, but I think it's okay. Everywhere you look now, there's ads. What's going on with that? Chicken burrito bowl from Costco? That's interesting, James. I've never had a chicken burrito bowl from Costco. I've never had one of those. 14-point range, yeah. Looks like we're going to push lower. Yeah, 50-50, not bad. Some people navigating better than me, that's for sure. Trying to see here why this is, I'm trying to. There we go. Now we're starting to move down. ES at initial balance low. Initial balance low there on the ES. Yeah, that's true. Very easy day to get chopped up. Woohoo! Look, there's the elevator. All right, I might enter this, guys, on the retest over here on ES. A little dangerous, but I'm going to try it. Something like that. We'll see. ES pops back above, that's fine. Why is things doing that? Well, ES pushing back above initial balance here. I want to see it hold there and push back lower. Kind of feel like it should push down lower. Can we get the push lower? Can we get it? Obviously, this is a bit of a chase. Small chase. Not much. Just small. Sour cream from Aldi's? Ugh. I don't like sour cream. I don't love sour cream. Want to see the elevator back down here. Just a continuation lower would be nice. Yes, held the initial balance low for now. If it can get back below that wick, we should be able to go. Yes, pushing back into the IBL now. Got to kind of hold that 774 area to hold this down. If it doesn't, then death to us. A lot of buyers stepping in here. Not a good look for the short here. But we're in it full port, so it's either going to blow or not. We'll see. That push down into profit there is probably going to cause us to blow. That push down 6 points in profit. Taking a little off the drawdown. Looks like it wants to go higher now. All right, looks like RIP to this account. 100 more in drawdown. RIP. There you go. Oh. Nice push back up there, though. No real setup, though. I'm actually kind of considering a long here on the fundeds, but it's a little bit on the scary side. Probably got the pivot point there. I guess you got some stuff here holding us down. ES fault back above the IBL there, back up to 776. See if we can pop back above that wick there. See if we can run here or not. Go. Go. Push above the VWAP here and go. I did take it over here on the fast track. It's got a late entry, but we're at break even already. If we get to 5 points in profit before I get stopped, I might take it off. Might just look for like that 50 level. Just going to take it there for 5 and call it a day. So that's 14 accounts. Should be $100-ish. $90. It probably still goes. I don't really care. I'm just going to take what I can on that. Like, you know, you can't be too greedy. Looks like we did get some slippage. There she goes. So I think we would have probably gotten our full profit target there. Let's see. Yeah, for sure. Oh, no, that's 13 points. Oh, yeah, we were looking for 12. So 12.5 points. 12.5 points. I like the momentum on that. $90. So we're less than $100 away on that account. A couple of these accounts. Man, I know I stopped it. I know I took 5 points. That copier just gave me 40. Oh, well. We would have got our full target there. I was at break even. I wanted to get something out of it. Wow, we got basically nothing. Now it feels bad that I took it off. I mean, if you're only going to get 40, you may as well let it ride, right? I just thought we would get 5 points. I know I took it off at 5. Oh, well. I know I took it off at 5 points, so I don't know why it only gave me $40. Max, oh my gosh, man, come on. Yeah, that's what sucks about this sometimes. I had a late entry. I should have been in really there. So I was in like 3 points higher than I wanted to be. So the break even was very close. I go break even there. It almost gets me. And then once I push back up, you know, I take it off there for 4.5 points. And a little slippage on the copier, but then it just went straight up. We were only looking for 12 points. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. It's fine. At the end of the day, I wasn't even going to take a trade on the funded, so can't be mad about it. Yeah, he's saying something, Lavender. Yes, my funded futures, no activation fee also. Correct. So, I didn't mind that trade. I thought that trade was fine. I actually liked it. I mean, we had a nice sweep of the liquidity. ES regained initial balance low there. So the 30-second chart, I mean, that gap is 4 handles. It's not like that clear, but your break-even stop is so close. And you have like low resistance liquidity above, kind of. So I didn't hate it. Obviously, that's why I took it. But yeah, I mean, so we got a little bit of money there, not much. We were very close to payout on some of these accounts. I'm not quite sure which, though. 69.70, and I think 73, 74 I've already requested payout on. It's like that one we're $145 away. This one we are $60, $70 away. I could go into scout mode and try to get those there, but I don't think it makes any sense to do that. 49. These are the ones we're waiting on payouts on. That one we're $195 away, not $195. So if we can get a winning trade tomorrow, these accounts will be pushed over. We would have had it today if I would have let it ride, but that's the thing. Like that's the thing that gets me sometimes is like I get to where I want to take something out of the trade, even though when my stop is already at break even, you should just take full TP or nothing, right? Right there. It should either be break even, which is fine, or full take profit, which is way better. So I hate it when I take it off in the middle like that. I hate that when I do that. But yeah, they'll send it by email Clarity, but I would just say go ahead and sign up for Rise. There's no point in not. You can go ahead and sign up without the link, because if you've got a Rise account, when they go to send you money, it will ask you to accept an invite from Fast Track Trading through Rise. And so once you accept that invite, they'll be able to just freely go ahead and send you the money. So are we going to now run the 185s like we've been trying to get it to do? Probably. And there probably was a 2-minute setup here if I had to guess. That might have been the cleanest play. No, there's actually not a 2-minute. Is there a 3-minute? Not really. I mean, I guess there is, but it would have hit the internal before it closed. Not very obvious. Not really any clean setup there. That's just momentum, right? The 30-second chart really is the cleanest setup, and it wasn't even that obvious. Might have been cleaner on the 15-second. Let's look. Oh, yeah, the 15-second wasn't bad. That 15 seconds the most obvious, and it failed. Yeah, I mean, 30 seconds not that clean, but that's the gap I was using. I thought that the break-even stop was close enough, and as you know, the break-even stop is right into the VWAP, which is a little scary. That's why I kind of took the trade off where I did. I'm not 100% sure we were going to make it through there, but stop was already at break-even. I could have just left it. It's fine. Oh, you can't? Oh, you can't. I got what you're saying. All right, guys, I think that's going to do it for me today. So green on the funded's $40 times 14, whatever that is. Not a ton of money, but we'll take it. Obviously, we blew 2 evals. That's all right. It happens. We'll be back live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. We'll see if we can't find another, maybe a spot tomorrow that makes sense. If you are green today, I would suggest kind of locking it in. If you guys are looking to support the channel, please use my links and my codes. Again, the My Funded Future Sale, I think, does end tonight. So keep that in mind. Bulenox 90% off, I think, is through the 9th, which is only 2 days more. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.